Okay, good morning everybody. So what we're going to do is I want to teach you how to do the perfect push-up. I'm a little compromised because I don't have some of the other props that I need, but you're going to have to use your imagination. But the first thing that you need to do is to be able to do a perfect plank. Okay, that's with our back completely straight. Okay, so let's get down into a perfect plank position. And if that's all you can do as I talk a little bit more and show you, that's fine. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to accomplish this. The important thing is that you do it each push-up perfectly. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to lower ourselves down. If you're wearing a cap, it's perfect because it's when the bill of the cap hits the ground, that's the perfect spot. You can put a, I don't know, ball underneath your chest, which would be fine. Not a basketball, maybe a softball or something like that. And you lower yourself down and up, all the while keeping your back completely straight. We don't want to slouch like this. Okay, we don't want our knees to hit the ground. Just down and up. Down and up. Okay, so that's good if you have the strength to do that. If you don't, I guarantee you, as you do this more and more, you will. Your arms will get stronger as you do more of them. Okay, so here's how you can accomplish it. Let's say you cannot do that. There's a couple things that I would like you to do. One is you can do it on your knees. And get your legs up and make sure you're bending your elbows and you're doing a push-up. Same thing, back straight on your knees. That would be fine. Eventually, you're going to have the strength in your arms to be able to go ahead and do the plank push-up. Okay? All right, let me give you another variation. You could go to your steps and put your hands either on the first step or the second step. I can't show you here, but you can imagine your angle of your body will be like that, okay? And it'll be easier to do the push-up. And you do it this exact same thing. You keep your back straight, you go down, and then you go back up. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. I don't want anybody to do too many today, but what I'd like you to do is to do it so you feel that it's about, that you could do a few more. I would like to say it's maybe 70% of your effort. Okay, so you can do it with me. I'm going to do a bunch of them. Okay, on your own. I think I'm going to go just do 20 today. That's 10 for me. And remember, each one should be perfect. Okay, I can feel I'm starting to get a little bit tired, and that's fine. I'm not going to go all the way to I can't do anymore until my muscles get used to that a little bit more. Okay, you got it? So what I'd really like you to do is, if I don't do it with you during our fitness challenge during gym class, do it maybe every other day. So let's say you can start with, let's say all you could do is 2 or 3, or all you could do is 10, whatever your number is. The next time you do it, see if you can remember that number, and then see if you can hit that number and then maybe go a little bit further. Okay? I never want anybody to get hurt. If it's feeling painful, you don't do it. If it's a little bit discomforting, that's fine. You can move on. Got the idea? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go through just a few more things of fitness, and then we'll be done with the fitness phase, and then we'll do some yoga. All right, so let's get down. And what we're going to do is we're going to do it for, I think we'll do the exercise for 40 seconds and then rest for 20. Okay? So let's get ready. Let's go ahead and do the mountain climbers. So get ready for mountain climbers and ready, go. 40 seconds. You can go quicker than me or slower than me. The only way to get better is to do it. Okay, we got about 15 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so while we're waiting for our next exercise, which will be sit-ups, next class, see if you can get a basketball, because I want to do some basketball skills. Okay? All right, so get ready for some sit-ups. Bend your knees back to the ground. Now you shouldn't be on a hardwood floor. Make sure you're on a carpeted floor. If you are not, get a towel, put it under your belly or your butt. If you need to use your hands to come up, fine. But I want you to feel totally in your belly. Squeeze your stomach as you come up. Squeeze. You can assist if you need to put your feet underneath something like the couch. That'll be helpful. But as your stomach gets stronger, you're not going to need to do that. Okay, let's rest. And 3, 2, 1, we're going to do a sumo sit. So either go sit like this. Yeah, everybody sit like this. Forget about the wall for today. Legs 90 degrees. Make sure you're bending down. And we're going to hold it for 40 seconds. This is hard. More seconds. I want to do something really hard. Do a little squat jump. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, rest. Okay, let's do a plank. And instead of doing it with arms extended, we'll do it on our elbows. Okay, so get down, get ready. 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Now make sure you don't cheat and don't get your knees down or your hips down. Keep them up. Good. Now you should feel that in your belly. If you would feel your belly, you'd feel just how hard it is right now. Because that's the muscles that are being engaged, as well as your shoulders a little bit, but mostly your core. I hope you can see me. 3, 2, 1, and good. Okay, last one after we rest. We'll be jumping jacks. And then we've had a decent fitness workout. Then we'll end it with a little bit of yoga and mindfulness. And 3, 2, 1, 40 seconds. Legs out, legs in, arms out, legs up and down. In, out, depending on what you're looking at. My arms are in and out. Uh-oh. And my legs are out and in. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, reach up. And out. Up. Okay, this is probably where we'll start with yoga. Whenever you're ready, join me. Remember, next class I want a basketball or some kind of ball you can bounce. It could be a soccer ball. Okay.